that this is truly a cryptocurrency Super Bowl. Prepare yourself for the Crypto Bowl. The Super Bowl will feature commercial breaks that embrace the usual jokes and celebrities, plus a whole lot of blockchain. And if you've been subscribed to us, you're aware of the host of big commercials that people are expecting. Perhaps we'll see some surprises. We'll talk more about some cool things to expect in this Super Bowl. Again, let me know who you're rooting for, Rams or Bengals, and well, let's get into it because there are big things that have been happening in the last 24, 48 hours. Smash the like button and let's start here. The CryptoPunk train, the NFT train, continues to roll. Rare Alien CryptoPunk NFT sells for $23.7 million, 8,000 Ethereum for this guy right here. The key takeaways are as follows. Punk, number 5,822, one of the 9 aliens in the CryptoPunk NFT collection. As you're aware, in PFP NFT collections, there's different traits that all of these have. Some are rarer than others, and in the CryptoPunk world, there's only 9 aliens in the CryptoPunk world, 9 rare aliens out of the 10,000 in the collection, and this one sold for 8,000 Ethereum to Deepak T, who is the CEO of Chain. Now, at a price of $23.7 million, Punk number 5,822 has broken the previous record for a CryptoPunk sale by a lot, showing that avatar NFTs, PFP NFTs, continue to draw interest even as major assets look shaky. Would you pay $23 million, 8,000 ETH for this baby right here? And combine that with the fact that Bitcoin, the market mover, is showing incredible strength. I love this. Look at this. We all remember 2021, the China ban. Short term may be bearish for Bitcoin, but mining migrated, hash rate continued to grind up, and right now we have a hash rate all-time high. Bitcoin hash rate surged to a new all-time high yesterday. The network is stronger than ever. And that is the takeaway. The higher the hash rate, the stronger the Bitcoin network, the stronger the fundamentals. This is what we like to see. ETH Layer 2 scaling solution Optimism has fixed a critical bug discovered by an outside developer. Now, we're in the early days of all this. And on the one hand, you can say it's so much risk, it's so many hacks and critical bugs all the time, but that's because we're in the early days of this. In a sense, it's positive and good that these things are being discovered and fixed, and it's never good when anybody loses their money. But if these protocols are to last hundreds of years or 50 years, it's better this stuff happens now than when there's 100 million users. Anyways, the key takeaways are as follows. Optimism, a popular Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, has patched a major vulnerability in its network. The team was alerted of the vulnerability last week by a developer named Jay Freeman, also known as Sarek, and he was awarded the maximum possible bounty award of more than $2 million. And a lot of these protocols and the teams behind them have bug bounty programs, and this guy made $2 million by fixing a critical bug. This is what we like to see. Let's dive a little deeper on today's Super Bowl. What's the score? Are you watching? Well, if you subscribe to our channel, if you saw yesterday's video, we went over the 6 big Super Bowl ads that are going to be playing today. And maybe there's more than this, but these are the big ones. Let's talk about one of them, the Bud Light NFT Super Bowl ad. You got to love to see this. Bud Light is giving NFT holders physical glasses inspired by the NFT project they're advertising, Nouns NFTs. Holders of the next NFTs can now lay claim to a very real physical perk. This is cool if you get the physical glasses and you own the NFT glasses. Anyway, it's incredibly cool to see how Bud Light and Budweiser is getting in. Check out the details. Bud Light has created more than 12,000 NFTs priced at $400 a piece, tied to the launch of its new beer brand, Next. And now it's offering holders of the Next NFTs something new. Nouns, which is the project's name, Nouns-inspired specs, like actual glasses. In just the latest example of mainstream brands embracing crypto, Bud Light, which last year bought a hand-drawn beer rocket NFT for 8 ETH, at the time worth $26,000, and registered the domain beer.eth, announced on Saturday that each next NFT collection holder, anybody who holds their NFT, gets a perk, can receive a very real pair of glasses inspired by the brand's upcoming Super Bowl ad. And this is actually the type of perk that many NFT projects offer to their holders. For instance, Gary Vee and VeeFriends. If you hold certain VeeFriends, which I do not, unfortunately, many of the holders get certain physical perks. And that's just one thing Gary Vee is trying to do to further provide value to the holders in the community. Bud Light's doing this to try and provide a cool little perk to their community. It's exciting sometimes to be. I think the NFT space is fun, and of course the whole market goes in ebbs and flows. This is the kind of thing that people who are going to watch this commercial are going to be like, wow, maybe I should get a Nouns NFT, or maybe I should check out some other NFT collection. Anyways, you know what? It's totally up to you. It's just, interesting the times we live in, and there's plenty of NFT projects, which are cash grabs or beanie babies, but there's also plenty of cool ones, too. In other NFL news, did you realize this? NFL lobbied the SEC on blockchain technology issues. NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain tech may soon be coming to the gridiron. So, in brief, according to SEC disclosures, so they had to disclose this, the NFL spent money on blockchain-related lobbying efforts in 2021. The NFL has been a little bit slower than some other leagues to partner with cryptocurrency companies, but my takeaway from this is they're spending big money lobbying the SEC, making sure everything's cool, and they're getting their ducks in a row. And when they're totally sure that everything's cool, they're going to hit this hard, like so many big brands and big legitimate companies are. It's interesting that the NFL is spending lobbying money to lobby the SEC on NFTs, crypto, blockchain. Interesting. In other news, Netflix has announced a new series on the Bitfinex hack involving the 120,000 embezzled Bitcoins. The Netflix documentary will be about the New York-based couple, one of those people is that rapping woman, and their link to laundering nearly 120,000 Bitcoin tied to crime. So, you know what? It's an interesting story for sure. Hopefully this doesn't perpetuate too much the stereotype that crypto is just for nefarious people. But regardless, it's cool. This is a big story, interesting story, and I'm psyched. Hopefully this is a good documentary. Attention crypto holders. Attention crypto traders. Do you invest in crypto? Do you trade crypto? If yes, I have a major opportunity that I need to clue you into. Most people in crypto do not know that they can take advantage of this. You should be investing, you should be trading with Choice IRA app, a retirement account. Trade, invest with Choice, and you pay zero capital gains tax. They offer thousands of traditional assets and tons of crypto assets. You can buy crypto with Choice. You can trade crypto with Choice. These guys are a proud sponsor of our channel. You could hold your own keys if you want. Their fees are low and highly competitive. The bottom line is, if you think your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency assets are going to be worth a lot of money in the long term, why not put a portion of your stack in the Choice app so you won't have to pay any capital gains tax? Your future self will thank you. Take advantage of this. Use our link and receive $50 in free Bitcoin when you set up an account. Take advantage of this. Let me know if you did. Something that happened a couple days ago, I did want to bring this to your attention. Let me know what you think about this. Upcoming Apple iPhone feature to give merchants a way to accept crypto payments. So at a certain point, paying with crypto, if you want to, is going to be ubiquitous everywhere because of stuff like this. Apple announced plans to launch Tap to Pay for its iPhone, a new feature that effectively turns your smartphone into a point-of-sale device for businesses and merchants. So what's in it for crypto? Well, according to Apple, the soon-to-be-launched Tap to Pay feature will extend support to Apple Pay, contactless credit and debit cards and other digital wallets. It basically means that unless Apple places direct barriers for it, customers who are using Coinbase Card, BlockFi Card, Crypto.com Visa Card, or other similar payment cards would be able to use their cryptocurrency holdings to make payments via tap to pay. Either way, you can see that the world is becoming more digital, the world is becoming more connected.